Get ready, guys. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Shoot them. That's what I'm talking about. God, they came hot, boys. Nick.
Yeah, buddy.
Will you cook these for me tonight?
Sure will.
You will?
I will.
Let me guess, Joel's Nachos?
Joel's Nachos.
You know I gave him that recipe, right?
I know you did, and you're going to give it to me now.
10 o'clock on Tuesday, bus up in the club. It may be dead as doomsday, but that don't bother us. Got some good smoke, some Bacardi. Yeah, we don't need no party to party.
Yeah, so we're gonna let it sit in there because it's gonna absorb back into it and frankly cool off a little bit. We'll build our nachos, then they're gonna go back on the Traeger for a little bit to melt the cheese. Then we're gonna put our cold toppings on top of it and serve it. But that's, you know what, about 5 pounds of meat right there. It smells unbelievable. Man, look at these coming off the Traeger. Bake the cheese on the top, all the layers are done. Now we just add our cold toppings. Got jalapenos, chives, tomatoes. Spread those out evenly among the top. Look at that, you got your different colors.
Ooh, look at that.
That looks unbelievable.
Let's let Ryan be a little taster on this. Try it.
All
See
right.
what you think. Canada Goose Nachos.
Canada Goose Nachos.
The moment of truth.
Gotta get
Plenty
the
of
greens
Canada Goose in
Get
there.
the sauce, get the sour cream.
Phenomenal. They got phenomenal finger foods over there.
If there's a word better than phenomenal, that's it right there.
Is that good or what?
Joel.
Nice.
Boys, right there.
Excellent. That's
Right
what
there.
I'm talking about.
That's
Good job,
your man
Joel.
right there, Joel.